Today, we're blasting off with 5 awesome new words: enamored, lateral, misconstrue, tacit, and lethal, all wrapped up in a story about space exploration and learning from mistakes. Let me tell you a story about Elon Musk learned some big lessons while working on a revolutionary rocket project. Elon was completely enamored with space travel and rocket science from the very first day he started his company. His bedroom walls were covered with posters of rocket launches and famous astronauts. During an engine test, Elon noticed a dangerous lateral movement that made the rocket wobble from side to side. He quickly marked this observation in his notebook with a worried expression. A head engineer seemed to misconstrue Elon's warning as just beginner's nervousness. He patted his shoulder and told him not to worry so much about small vibrations. There was a tacit understanding among the other engineers that the project would continue despite Elon's concerns. No one spoke about it directly, but everyone continued working according to the original schedule. When the unmanned test rocket exploded, everyone realized the lethal consequences that could have occurred had it been carrying astronauts. The team gathered around computer screens, reviewing the failure data with serious expressions. Our word enamored means being totally in love with something. In our story, Elon was completely enamored with space travel and rocket science from the very first day he started his company. When you're enamored with something, you can't stop thinking about it. The word lateral refers to something related to the side. In our story, Elon noticed a dangerous lateral movement that made the rocket wobble from side to side. When something moves laterally, it's moving sideways instead of up, down, forward, or backward. When we misconstrue something, we get the wrong idea about it. In our story, the head engineer seemed to misconstrue Elon's warning as just beginner's nervousness. He didn't understand the real meaning behind what he was saying. Something tacit is understood without anyone saying it out loud. In our story, there was a tacit understanding among the other engineers that the project would continue despite Elon's concerns. Everyone just knew it without discussing it. The word lethal describes something that can cause death. In our story, when the unmanned test rocket exploded, everyone realized the lethal consequences that could have occurred had it been carrying astronauts. Thankfully, no one was aboard during this test. You're now a master of enamored, lateral, misconstrue, tacit, and lethal. 5 powerful words that can launch your vocabulary to new heights. If you enjoyed this cosmic vocabulary adventure, smash that subscribe button and download our free rocket science vocabulary worksheet in the description below. For more exciting vocabulary learning stories like this one, blast over to questplorer.com, where new word adventures await you every week. Until our next vocabulary mission, keep reaching for the stars, and remember, even rocket scientists make mistakes, but that's how we learn and grow.